Is your car cranking but refusing to start, or suddenly losing all its power on the highway? You might be dealing with a dangerous fuel pressure problem. Let us talk about diagnostic trouble code P0193, which indicates fuel rail pressure sensor A circuit high. This is a common code for most gas and diesel engines built since the year 2000. Your engine relies on a fuel rail pressure sensor, or EFARP sensor, to tell the main computer exactly how much fuel pressure is available for the fuel injectors. When the computer detects that the voltage signal from this sensor is staying way too high for too long, it sets this code. The symptoms can leave you stranded. Your check engine light will illuminate, your vehicle will suffer a massive lack of power, or the engine might just crank over and over without ever actually starting up. The causes for this high voltage reading usually come down to a short to power in the sensor signal wire, an open circuit in the wiring harness, or a completely damaged pressure sensor. To troubleshoot this, first locate the fuel rail pressure sensor on your engine. Carefully check all the wires and connectors for any signs of rubbing, bare metal, or melted plastic from engine heat. Pull the connector apart and look for green corrosion or burnt metal pins. Clean them up if needed. Also, if your sensor has a vacuum hose attached, check it for leaks. If liquid fuel drips out of that vacuum line, your sensor is blown and must be replaced. You can also test the sensor using a fuse jumper wire and a scanner to see if the voltage drops to zero, which tells you if the wiring is good. However, a major warning applies here, especially if you drive a diesel truck. Diesel common rail fuel systems operate under extreme pressure, sometimes well over 35,000 psi. If you make a mistake, that high-pressure fuel can easily cut right through your skin. Because of this severe danger, it is highly recommended to have a professional mechanic handle any fuel rail sensor replacements. Stay safe and thanks for tuning in.